Hi friends, today I am very happy to talk with you. This video is particularly suggested by a subscriber of our channel, Sharat Chandra, and he wanted us to make a video on the power of simplicity. Well, let's talk about it. The first thought which we get when we think of simplicity is the people who have nothing. But let us try to find the real meaning of being simple and the facts behind simplicity. Many successful people, though successful and though they have attained tremendous gains in terms of money and fame, but still they are very down to earth and they are very simple. And it's that simplicity of the successful people that again pushes them, motivates them towards their future success. Simplicity doesn't mean that you should leave everything what you have. You should leave your family, you should leave your money, you should leave your attire and just become a sage or a monk. Simplicity is being happy with what you have, being happy with the particular stage you are in. You may be rich, you may be poor, but in both the cases, you have the choice to be simple. Simplicity is not meeting the expectations of others, but ensuring that you meet your expectations. Most of us try to make others happy, and in that process, we lose ourselves and we become someone who we are not ought to be. Our thoughts, our actions today are all either a result, a reaction, or a response from the external environment. But being simple means being one with yourself, feeling happy with what you have, feeling contented with what you have, and listening to your own heart and mind before you take any other advice from external sources. You need not have money, you need not have knowledge, you need not have anything, but you must have that commitment towards yourself. That is simplicity. You must stand on the word, and all the only resource which you have is the principles or values which you seem to be correct to yourself. And when you stand by your words, when you follow the core principles which you feel are yours, then you are simple. This is the case that happened with Mahatma Gandhi. He is simple not because he left his job or not because he fought for our nation. He is simple because he stands on his core values. He sticks to his words, he stands and pushes himself in following his own values. That is simplicity. a former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India, is an epitome of simplicity. And with that simplicity, he have achieved this power, the power of a high position in the defense industry, in the defense sector of our nation, a high role as a president. All which he got is because of his simple nature. He is happy with what he have. He is happy with his own principles. And by principles I meant that will be helpful to you and that principles will not hurt others. You must have such kind of principles or values that you must follow and be simple. Many great people don't do different things. They do the regular simple things which we do. But the only difference is they do the same things which we do but in a different manner. Sometimes normal people tend to lose their control. They tend to lose their control over the principles or the plans which they have made for themselves. Great people stick to their plans, stick to their words, stick to their values and principles. It's as simple as that. And that is a result of their simplicity. Have no expectations about you. We don't know what happens tomorrow. We don't know what happens in the future. But right now, at this point of time, if you are happy being with yourself, being one with yourself, being one with your family and in the society, without any expectations of any other things, without any desires of money, fame and all, then you are simple. And that will surely help you to lead a good life. Thank you very much.